Good evening to you. I'm Ryan Yamamoto.
Hello, I'm Sarah Donchi. The Warriors are just an hour away from taking on the Dallas Mavericks in Game 1 of the Western Conference Finals. A live look at the Chase Center, where it is a sold-out crowd for Game 1. But as the Dubs are hoping for a win against the Mavs, they're also trying to keep COVID out of the playoffs.
Yeah, it all comes as San Francisco's test positivity rate is at 11%, more than twice of California's rate of 5%. KPIX 5's Andria Borba begins our team coverage for how the NBA is ramping up with some of its COVID precautions.
Well, Ryan and Sarah, no recommendations will be changing for the city of San Francisco and the state of California about COVID protocols inside Chase Center tonight. The NBA has made some changes for people interacting with the players. As for you, the fan, doctors say you should make some changes if you plan on going into Chase Center tonight or any large indoor event anytime soon.
Curry, a little sauce.
As the Warriors have been making a run in the NBA playoffs,
Conference Finals.
COVID-19 has been making a run in the Bay Area, even hitting Warriors coach Steve Kerr. No rules about masking or vaccine card checks will be happening at Chase Center for fans per San Francisco and state guidance, though the NBA is asking anyone interacting with players to mask up. So if you're lucky enough to have tickets to the first game of the Western Conference Finals, what should you do? Dr. Peter Chin-Hong, professor of infectious disease at UCSF, says,
I would, first of all, definitely go. I think we need to engage in life. We have the tools to continue to keep people away from the hospital.
But he says definitely bring a mask and not the homemade kind.
Upping your mask game. I think gone are the days of cloth masks. And if you're going to a crowded indoor area, and right now we're estimating that probably 1 in 20 people around you who have absolutely no symptoms are probably infectious in San Francisco and in the Bay Area.
It's advised season ticket holder Marion intends on following tonight.
I have to be safe, and restrictions have dropped, and I have no idea of the people around me. I just need to be safe. This isn't the KN95, that's in here. I'll use that when I'm in there.
As for Game 1 of the Western Conference Finals, Warriors president Brandon Schnieder spoke with Klay Thompson.
We've talked to him. Let's just do Game 6 Klay every game. Let's just do that and call it a day.
Now, Dr. Peter Chin-Hong says to think of these masks as an umbrella. You bring those umbrellas out for rainy days. You put them away in times of sun. As for the Warriors, in case you were wondering, in case you didn't know, the Warriors so far this playoff run, the only playoff run here at Chase, are 6-0 at home. Ryan, Sarah.